Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing. I've been subscribed to this beauty box for, I don't know, 2.5 years, something like that. By now, I'm probably addicted. Look Fantastic is based in Britain, and their beauty box contains beauty products like makeup, skincare, body care, stuff like that. And every month you get this in your mail. The shipping is free worldwide. I live in Israel and it is based in Britain, and I get free shipping, and it costs 13 to 15 British pounds. That depends on how long you make your subscription for. I got my package in the mail and I was so excited to open it, but I waited. I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera. So what we're going to do, we're going to open the box together. You're going to see my first impressions of the box. I'm going to show you every product with the details, and we're gonna try it all on. So let's get started. So this is what the box looks like this month. Every month you get a different packaging. I actually use these boxes for all sorts of stuff in my room. I recycle it to be like containers for my beauty stuff. I'm gonna put up some pictures of these boxes in my room, where I put them, what I do with them, just so you have ideas. And also what you get every month with the box is this Elle UK magazine. You get it every month, so it's like another product, because buying the Elle or being subscribed to Elle costs money. So you get this, which is very cool. And I'll also show you what I do with the Elle magazines that I get, because I have a lot of them, and at some point I just started putting them in all sorts of places in my room as like a decoration. So this is what the magazine looks like this month. And you get this thing with the box every month, which tells you which products we get in the box, and an explanation about each product, what you do with it, how you use it, what it's good for. And then there are actually some articles by Look Fantastic themselves, and there's always a sneak peek for next month. So there's a product that I knew that is going to be in this box because there was a sneak peek last month. I'll tell you which one it is when I open the box. And the box looks like this after you open it and take out the magazine and the explanations. I'm gonna open it. So this is what the box looks like this month. We have some pretty exciting things. The thing that I knew that is going to come in the box is this Luxie brush that we have here. So I'll open it now. It's a beautiful brush. It looks like this. And it says here that it's a tapered highlighting brush. It's the Luxie 737. So this is the first product that we got in the box. And actually the first product I'm going to try out here, I see that we have a mask. So this mask is the Natura Herb Infused Sheet Mask. It's worth 4.95 British pounds. It says here that it's infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins, rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores, and brightens the complexion. And then it says how to use. Wear this mask for between 15 to 20 minutes, massaging excess serum into the skin. By the way, the box this month is the Heat Wave edition. So everything in the box is going to be about the heat and heat protection and summer vibes and stuff like that. So every box has a theme. So we're gonna try on this Natura mask. So first I'm going to put this on my hair, and we're gonna open it. So I'm going to take out the mask and we're going to put it on. This has a very intense natural scent of like essential oils and stuff. So I'm going to put a 15-minute timer and come back. So it's been 15 minutes and I'm going to take this mask off. tap the rest of the serum into my skin. So I actually don't really like sheet masks because they're really uncomfortable for me, and it makes me a little bit like I want to take it off, and it's not a pleasant experience for me. But my skin feels really hydrated and cool. The mask was really cool. It's a little bit tacky. You know, you can't really give your opinion about a mask after one time, but my skin is feeling really hydrated right now. So, and I really like the scent, but if you have problem with strong scents, you're gonna hate being with the mask on because it has a really strong scent and it's all over your face. So the next product in the box is this Ritual body cream, and it's in the scent Flamingo Flower and Pink Grapefruit. Let's see what this has to say about it. So here it says that it's worth 6.9 British pounds. This says that it's a luxurious body cream that softens and conditions. This quick absorbing cream melts effortlessly into the skin, which is great for summer. I really love getting Rituals stuff in the box because they have great creams and great scents and actually great packaging. I really love this packaging, and it reminds me of my YouTube art in my channel. So let's smell this first. Ooh, I love it. It doesn't remind me of anything. I think I've never smelled anything that smells like this. So I'm gonna put it on my body. I really prefer creams that absorb really quickly because I don't like the feeling of cream on my body. This feels actually pretty lightweight and I like the scent. And the next thing in the box is this James Read Self Tan 1 Hour Tan Glow Mask Face, and it says here it's worth 12.50 British pounds, and it says that this is an overnight gradual tan, a colorless formula to protect clothing and bedding. The tan suits all skin tones. So it says that you need to apply a thin layer to clean dry skin to achieve a natural glow in just 30 minutes. And I actually don't use self tanners, and I actually don't tan at all because I'm really light and it suits me better. So I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway. So the next product in the box is actually the brush. I want to talk about it more because there's more information here, because it says it's worth 26.5 pounds, and that's a lot considering that you pay only 13 to 15 British pounds for this box. We're going to use this brush and we're going to use it with the next product in the box, which is this. I like it that you get it in a bubble wrap so it stays safe. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heat Wave Highlighting Palette, and it says here that this is an exclusive product for the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I really love Bella Pierre. We actually get a lot of stuff from this brand in the box, so I have some experience with this brand. And it says here that this is worth 30 British pounds. It has 5 highlighting shades, and it says here that you can use this for strobing, a subtle highlight, or add a wash of color to the eyes. So I'm actually going to put this on my cheeks and on my eyes today for this video. So first I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then we're going to use it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and before I use all these shades, I'm going to swatch them for you first on my hand. We're going right to left. So these are all the colors in the palette. And first I'm going to use this second one with the Luxie brush as my highlight. So I'm going to take it on the brush and put it on the tops of my cheekbones. this is not the most reflective highlight I've seen, but you can really build it up. I want to try adding another shade because this is, although I'm really light, this is actually a little bit too light for me. So I'm going to take this shade, the last shade. And I'm going to use this first shade as my blush with the same brush. And I'm going to use the darkest shade in the middle, which can never be my highlight, probably, as an eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit so you can look at my face. This is the highlight on my face and the shade that I used as blush and the shade that I used as an eyeshadow. I quite like it. It's not my favorite to highlight with. I have highlighters that I love more, but I definitely see myself use this palette as eyeshadows. So I really like that we got an actual palette in the box. So the last product in the box is a lip item, and this is from the brand Deuce. I think it's pronounced like this. We already got stuff from this brand in the past, and this is a lip stain in the shade Holiday Getaway, and it's worth 11.95 British pounds. It says that it has a highly pigmented base color that lasts all day. So let's apply this to our lips. We need to open. It comes closed like this, so we need to open this. I guess it's a mini because it's really small. I don't know if it's a mini. So the first thing I'm noticing is that this lipstick is really comfortable. It feels really lightweight. I don't feel it on my lips, which is very good. I didn't need to dip my applicator in the container again while I put this on. So let's let it dry a little bit and then see what we're thinking. So this actually dries really fast, so I didn't need to wait a long time for it to dry. And actually it is transfer proof, which is really good, and it is a really summery color. It reminds me a little bit of this coral shade that I used for the second look in the two looks using one palette with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. So I'm gonna finish off my makeup and come right back. So guys, that was the box for this month. I really liked the box this month. I feel like we got really half skincare and half makeup, which is a very good balance for me. I really like this brush and I think it's beautiful, and I really like the lipstick. So I actually calculated the overall value of this month's box, and it is almost 93 British pounds, which is so much because you only pay 13 to 15 British pounds. So I really hope you liked this video. I'll link the Look Fantastic website down below. Let me know if you want to see the Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing every month, if you want me to do it in this try-on style, or you just want to see the box and that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring the bell to get a notification every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!